Hi guys, welcome back to some more Green Acres. Today I'm going to show you 4 of our baby goats. There's our 4 right there. Here's the first 2. Chips a Toy and Oreos. Hello. And Oreos is over back there. A black and white one. And this one's Chips Ahoy. Hello, Chips Ahoy. Hey, Chips Ahoy. Hey, little one. Give me your cute little eyes. I get it on camera, please. And here is, of course, a brand new baby that was born today. Right in that little corner. I can get a close-up view if you want. This is him. I'm going to speed in a little car. This is her. I'm going to speed her in a little closer. See that right there. The goats means this might take a few seconds. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Little is pretty cute. There's the mom. Hey, Mom. I'll call her. It's this little one's mom. Come in here so I can see you better. She's just pretty small. Hello? Let me catch your eyes on camera. You're the cutest thing! Yeah, I see the black dot. There we go. I'm gonna just... This is all such so small! The smallest thing to ever walk this off! But so cute! It's a her. She. I don't know. I forgot her name. Named her, but she looks kind of like her mother. Mom, here's baby. There. Okay, and next we'll show you. We might have made an update on this one already in the past, but here we go. Freddy and Mom. Freddy is the smallest. The mom is right there. But you know what's cuter? This one little. Hello. Hi. Make sure guys you subscribe to Green Acres. If they don't subscribe or like this video, what will they do? Lydian? If they don't subscribe or and like this video, what will they do?
They'll try some years of bad luck.
They won't even be alive by then. Oh, but okay. Then you trust in Hunter. It's true.
You get bad luck.
And this one will come to your house and eat you. Didn't. So guys, that's it for Green Acres today.